my channel. So for today, let us do some unboxing as well as assemble it afterwards. So we got this Ademain High Chair for Angel. I know it just seems like it was just yesterday that I gave birth, but she's now so ready for our high chair. So we got this Ademain High Chair, the Cleon range. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. So without further ado, let's get moving, guys. So this is what in the pack, guys. It is actually securely packaged. So in the box is we've got here the T-bar and as well as the manual. And actually you also don't need to assemble it because it's already all done for you. So what I'm going to show to you is the features of this chair and as well as what we're looking out for if you're going to buy a high chair for your little one. Alright guys, so this is how to open this. So press these two black buttons here on the side. Press them together to open the legs apart. When you're going to pull the chair up, press this black button again and then if you want to put the chair back down, press these two side buttons here, press it down, you push it all the way down. For this one, so you've got to press this red button here, press it all the way while you are also pressing that, and then you can remove it. And then if you want to, like that, let's remove the tray first because this is how you push it, and then that way there. And also, look at this one. It has got a removable top thingy, so it's very easy to clean. So, one of the things that you need to find out if you wanted to buy a high chair, guys, is obviously if it's very easy to clean, its material, what it is made up of, and as well as the longer for you to use it. So, this one here is good for newborn up to at least 3 years old, or when your baby or when your child is a toddler. And also the features as well. What I also like with this high chair is it has got really good features, which I'm going to show you very shortly. And most importantly, in looking for a high chair is its safety features. So this has got a 5-point harness, guys. Let's remove the tray first so you could see properly. So this has got like a 5-point safety harness, and it has got like a divider here as well. Look at the color, it's really nice and sleek. It's pretty in pink, and it's leather, guys, so it's really easy to clean. And this is removable as well, so you can take off all of these padding here and everything, and then you can also clean that portion there if you wanted to. The upholstery and everything of the chair is really nice, and it has got a very sturdy what you call that, frame. Yes, thank you, Lam. See, it can also go like to just like a sitting position. So if you're in the lounge, you can just let your baby sit there, and then you can just, you know, watch your TV or anything like that. So if you can see this one, guys, this is in a sitting position. So I'll show you some of the features of this chair, because this is only not just for sitting, but you could also adjust the chair so that baby is in like in a lying position. So again, press this button here at the back of the chair. Look at that. that all the way. So baby can sit back and relax. And also you can adjust the foot part or the footrest by pressing this black button again. That's it. So baby can comfortably sleep in here as well. So let's pull this chair up so you could put baby on the table with you while you guys are eating. So push this one. And then obviously you can again voila! I'm pretty sure Angel will like this because she really likes, you know, sitting with us on the dining table and as well as sitting with us on the lounge when we're watching telly. So I am pretty sure that she'll gonna like this one, guys. So I'll show you also on how to put this chair back down, okay? Again, guys, it has got few adjustments here. So you can adjust it depending how high you want your chair would be. Please stay tuned on my channel, guys, because I'm going to do a review on this chair, on whether Angel is liking it, and as well as you know, the features of it, if it was really worth the money and what we paid for on this chair. But I think that's all for now, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, Langi. I like your new chair more, Langi. So hello, guys. Hello. Look at Daddy. Hello, guys.
Wow.
I like my new chair. Do you like your new chair, Langi? Yes. Yes, I like my new chair, guys. You like it very much? Yes. I like it very much. Yes, you like it there, my Langi. She's really comfortable sitting here, guys. Really comfortable. Hello, guys. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I thought of giving you my review on this Ademain High Chair. So it's been few months now that we've been using this one. So I am already confident to tell you on what I like and what we don't like on this chair. Yes, Angel? Yes, Mama. Okay, so let's start with what we like first, isn't it, Lab Lab? So first and foremost, what do we like on this chair? So first and foremost, guys, what I like with this chair is the safety features of this one, because as I've said, this has got a 5-point harness. So it has got like a what you call that, like a harness for that on the shoulder as well as on the belt area. The second thing also is that it is very easy to clean because it is made up of leather. So once Angel's finished eating, you can just wipe it off, I mean, with soapy water and then rinse it again. But I'm just using this one, like the dry wipes thingy. You can just use this and put some soap and water on it, and it's all good. And then another thing also that I like with this one, what I also like in this chair, Angel, is that it also reclines, guys. It can be like in a sitting position like what Angel's position at the moment, and you can also put it like lying down, like in a lying position, obviously, so your baby can, you know, snooze on it. But it's not advisable for the baby to snooze on it for a long time, for a long period of time. It's not advisable either for your child to sit on it for a longer period of time. And also make sure that if your baby is onto the chair, There should be an adult supervision at all times, isn't it, Angel? And also, the good thing with this one is you can put it as a high chair, as it is like this, and also a lounge chair. You can put it down, which what we like also, because if we're watching TV, you can let her sit beside you. What else do we like, love? Oh, another thing also is you can use this from newborn until how many kilos? Ganit lang? Lang? 15 kilos, something like that. 11 or 15 kilos. So, which is a good thing. I wish I knew about this chair when Angel was a little bit younger. So, we could have bought it from then. But we only found it out when she was around, I think 4 months old or something like that. One thing also that I like is, you know, this tray here. This has got a removable, you know, top tray that you can take it out and then clean it, rather than just having just the main tray and then that's it. So it's very easy to clean also. Palanggan. And then let's proceed on what we don't like. So what we don't like on this chair? What we don't like on this chair is that when you there is like a little hook, or what you call that, a slot, where you could put the tray at the back of the seat. I just think that it's quite low for it to put this one, and I just find it a bit unsanitary because it's a bit too low. I'll show you later on once Angel's finished eating. And also, what else that I don't like on this chair? Oh, this one, guys. You know the harness here for the shoulder strap, that one there. When you put it on, it kind of like digs into the baby's shoulder, especially if they move a lot. So it's better for you to put like a little what you call that? Oh, what's the term? Like a cushion or something. You don't really have to buy like a cushion or something. You can make it. You can make it yourself. You can just, like, you know, roll some washers or something like that, and then put it on those side of the straps. And then another thing that I don't like is it's quite expensive. But it's really worth the price, guys. It's really worth it. So in general, do we like it so far, Angel? In general, guys, we like my chair very much. The color is very pink. It's worth the price, guys, because it has got, the functionality is really good, and as well as the safety features are really good as well. This is a thumbs up for us, isn't it, Angel? Thumbs up for us, Palanga. Is it? And then let's close this vlog now, Mom. I'm just gonna let Angel finish her food, guys. Say bye, guys. Say bye, guys. I'll see you on my next videos. I'll see you on my mom's next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye, guys.